The ratio of a part to the whole is expressed as a percentage. A percent is a fraction expressed in hundredths. Percent means per 100. There's a specific way to write this. For example, let's say we had 0.34. This would be 34 over 100, which is 34%. To change a fraction to a percent, you divide the numerator by the denominator and you multiply by 100. For 1/2, you would divide 1 by 2 and multiply by 100. This would equal 0.5. If you multiply that by 100, that gives you 50%. If you're changing a decimal to a percentage, for example, if we have 0.29, you can multiply the decimal by 100 and you get 29%. Changing a percentage to a fraction. To convert a percentage to a fraction, you want to eliminate the percent sign and multiply by the number. Or you can multiply by 1 over 100, or place the number in the numerator and 100 in the denominator. To convert a percentage to a fraction, you want to eliminate the percent sign and multiply 1 over 100 by the number. For example, if we have 5%, we're going to eliminate the percent sign and we're going to multiply 5 times 1 over 100, which equals 5 over 100. To convert 5 over 100 to the simplest form, we would divide both by 5, and that would be 1 over 20. Same thing for 15 over 100. If we want to move this to the simplest form, we would have 3 over 20. 76%, that is going to be 0.76. If we have 4%, we will move it 2 places to the left, and that will give us 0.04. If we have 104%, we move it 2 places to the left, we will have 1.04. Let's work a few more of these out. We want to change fractions to percentages. So we have 3 over 4. We're going to divide, and that gives us 0.75. We're going to move our decimal place over 2 places, and that equals 75%. If we have 4 over 5, we'll divide, and that gives us 0.80. We move our decimal place over 2 places, and that results in 80%. If we want to make decimals into a percentage, let's say we have 0.75. Again, we can multiply by 100 or move our decimal place over 2 places, and that will give us 75%. If we had 0.09 and we want to make this into a percentage, we will move our decimal place over 2 places, and that will result in 9%. If we want to convert percentages to fractions, again, let's not forget, we're first going to eliminate the percent sign and take 35 and multiply it by 1 over 100, which equals 35 over 100. If we're going to reduce this down, we can divide both of these by 5 and result in 7 over 20. If we had 82%, again, eliminate the percent sign. That will give us 82 over 100, and this is divisible by 2, and it results in 41 over 50. Move a percent into a decimal. We want to eliminate the percent sign and move the decimal 2 places over. So converting a percentage to a decimal, if we have 17%, eliminate that percent sign, we have an automatic decimal here, we know, and we move it over to the left 2 places, so we have 0.17. If we have 3%, again, eliminate that percent sign, move it over 2 places. You're going to add a 0, we'll have 0.03. If we have 5%,